here. Then my wall inside this. Okay. Ay bir dakika yanlış yeri çizdik. You are not telling me this is wrong. Just Durham tell me, okay? We have to get the 6 centimeter from here because these are the outside, right? Ya doğru gelmişiz. Durham. Bizi niye yanıltıyorsun? Sadece Durham yanlış yaptı. Durham bizi yanılttı. Niye böyle şeyler yapıyorsun? We was right actually. Durham just made us mistake. Okay. Then we have to do the same thing at the back side too. Okay. To take this point. Here. Okay. Then combine them like this. Okay. Did you understand? You can just take all the things and then combine them. This is going to be a little like angle because it goes like this, right? So it has to be some angle here. It is not 60 degree. It has some angle. Did you understand this part? Yeah. Because here, look at here. It has some angle, right? So when you just use the 60, it doesn't fit because this is lowest part. This is the highest part. So you can just use your thing and draw it.
Teacher, you are drawing the plan oblique now.
Plan oblique, yeah. Okay, the same thing here. So take this point to the 5 centimeter. Take this point like kaç bu? 1, 2, 5.80. Okay, take this point for here. Okay. And take this point to the here. This is the lowest, this is the highest part. So you have to combine like this. Şu yandaki duvar. It has some angles, right? Okay. And you can just take this one and take this one too to give the thickness of the wall. Okay. Here, you can make it dot, 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 dot here. Okay. Take this point, 5 centimeters. Dot, 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 because it's inside, right? Come here. And you can just combine them. Okay, and do like this. And do like this. Okay, it's the thickness of it. So take this one. We took it right already here, so I can just combine them. And combine them. Can you see the thickness? There goes like this. You take the point. Take the point and put it in the correct place, get the dimensions from the drawing, and just draw it, okay? 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, that's it. And we have to finish it here too, because it's like the same level, right? So this point, 6 millimeter, right? Take this point to the 6 millimeter here, and you know here, so you have to combine them with the 60 degree. This is where your door starts, right? Here. This is where your door starts. This is 0, 0. This is 0, 30. So this goes like this. This goes like this. And this goes like this. Okay? Is everything clear about that? So I just drove the height here, right? Like this. Did you see? The height, the height, the height. Okay.
Yes.
Now can you understand the steps? And it starts here.
Isn't this line should be like this from here? Why it is going like this?
No, this is the highest point. This is the lowest point. It goes like this.
I know, but I'm talking from
This one. I
this
just make sure like these parts. I'm just doing it, just showing you. If you just draw it like this, maybe I think you don't understand it. I'm just making it make sure clear. It has to look like this, okay? Just the wall, just the thickness of the wall. And so this point, this is the outside point, right? This is the outside point. It means they are going to combine. It is right. These 2 points are right. I just did it right, so I can just use my 60 degree. Can you see? You can just combine them. You can check yourself, did you draw it right or not? Okay, and this point is here. And the inside point is here, so it means you have to combine them too, right? Because these are the inside points. So, can you understand? Hop, hop, hop. Now this one. The same height with this, right? 58. So come here. Take this point, 58, here, right? Then combine these two. Right? And it's coming, can you see? It's coming like here. So this point, we already make it, so we have to just combine them. I cannot use 60 because it goes like this, so. But this is the same level, so I use this. Did you understand? And it goes like this. When I do something like that, it means maybe, you know, these parts are closed. You can just, if you want, you can just hatch this part so we can understand. It's kind of like a thickness of the wall, okay?
Are we going to draw the roof too?
No, don't need to draw the roof. Yeah, you can just draw it, but
They will not complete like this.
What about the windows?
yeah, look at this one. This is like what you see in the front, right? And you should draw with dot, 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 so we can understand it is at the back, right? So you can just draw it with the guidelines, then you can decide it which one is like the elevation, which one is the dot line, because in the front you can just see these lines, these, right? But I cannot see this one, this one, this one, and this one. They are like at the back, right? I can just draw with dot, 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 dot.
I mean, you will not complete this as line.
Yeah, because it's not seen. I have to make it dot lines because this is solid, right? So I have to make it like this. Dot, 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 dot lines. Okay?
هذا بقى.
And this one too. Okay, make it right then. These are at the back, so it means I have to draw it with the dot lines. Do you understand this part? Because these are the solid parts, right? These not, we cannot see inside of it, right? We have to just draw it dot, 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 dot. Hop, 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 hop. If you want, you can just draw these corners with the dot lines, okay? It's all about the height. Height 90 degree doesn't change. The other is 30 and 60 degree, okay? And it's all about the distances, okay? The height.
I will not draw the door.
Yeah, you have to draw the door and everything.
Teacher,
I don't want to draw with everything here.
just do the door.
Yeah, you have to draw everything.
Teacher,
As
just
a human,
you
then
can't
I'll
draw
draw.
the door.
Sorry, what?
Just you can't draw the door here.
It's too simple. What's the matter? Look at the door. Look at the space the door. It starts 5 millimeter. Come here. Just find the 5 millimeter from here to here, right? Come here. It starts here. Okay? Just define the points. And it is 2 centimeter. After 5 millimeter, this is the 2 centimeter. Okay? And the height is 4 centimeter. Come here. Take this point.
4.
Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. And take this point 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Then draw it like this. Okay. Then you can just draw the thickness of it. The thickness of the wall. There is a wall, right? The thickness. What's the thickness? 4 millimeter, right? Come here. Draw a guideline. Okay, this is the 4 millimeter. So it means from the 4 millimeter, it's going like this, right? Think about there's a thickness of the wall, right? I draw the door, but without the door. If I draw the door, I cannot see this empty space, right? I just draw like the empty space inside the wall for the door. Like step by step, take the point and put it in the correct level. It's all about the levels and the points, okay?
Teacher, it's 12:20. Do we have time to draw?
For this one?
Yes.
Yeah, we don't have time to draw.